Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately with cold components. This is the single most important step. Put your 1 cup of half and half in a metal bowl and rest both bowl and whisk in the fridge for 10-15 minutes. You add sugar and vanilla now because cold liquid incorporates air differently. Gentle sweetness helps structure. Once chilled, begin whisking slowly to dissolve sugar, then increase speed. This cold foundation gives the protein and fat the best chance to trap air and thicken. You move into active whipping now. Technique matters. Start low for 30-45 seconds to build a stable foam, then increase to medium-high so air folds into the liquid. You want soft peaks. When you lift the whisk, the peak should curl over, because half and half has lower fat than cream, so it won't go as stiff. Once you see soft peaks, stop occasionally to check. This prevents over-whipping. If you need stiffer texture, whisk in 1 teaspoon instant powdered milk to support. You finish by adjusting texture and serving quickly. If you need firmer peaks, gently fold in 1 teaspoon powdered milk or 1 tablespoon mascarpone. These add protein and fat to stabilize. Once done, spoon into a chilled container and refrigerate. Serve within 24 hours. If it breaks or becomes watery, stop whisking, chill everything 5-10 minutes, then re-whisk at low speed. This often recovers emulsion. Make sure to work cold and avoid overwhipping. That is the key to success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.